This is the Sleepover Essential Box, the March Asos box. Let's get in here and see what's what. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today. Today's video we have this. So this is the Asos March Box. So I thought I was filming when I was taking it out of the brown box that it comes in, and I didn't hit the record button, so we haven't got that part. So never mind. I haven't looked in here. On the website it does show you what's in the box in photographs, and it also has a list wrote down of what's in the box as well. I never look at that. I like the surprise when I get it. So very chuffed to have got one. I think they are still available online at the moment. I will link it down below in the information box if you are interested. This cost £12. But yeah, let's have a little sneaky peek inside. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, that would be fantastic. Come and join my YouTube family. Would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. But this is inside the box. So we have the little edit card. It has minimal information on the back there, but very pretty indeed. It matches the actual box with pink feathers. Inside we have some lovely pink tissue, and there is a little sneak peek for you. So there's no set date on when this goes on Asos's website. You just have to constantly keep checking and then cross everything to make sure that when you do check, it's on there and it's available. These can go quite fast. Some of them can take longer than others. But yeah, without further ado, let's get digging in here to see exactly what we've got. Right, so back to the edit card. It just says that this edit is called Sleepover Essentials. It says, sure, we love going out and seeing our pals, but we love a night in just as much. Yes, we do. And with this Asos face and body box, you can turn any evening into a super luxe spa retreat. Prepare to be thoroughly spoiled by top treats from ouai, neom and easilocks. Okay, so the first product we have is this. So it just says, first off, light a candle, run a bath and add a couple of capfuls of the Ackee Berry bath foam from Sunday Rain. It smells heavenly and creates lots of cute bubbles. So there's no news on my move at all. Oh, it's sealed. Let's just open it because it will get used. Oh god, that smells so good. Guys, that smells absolutely amazing. That is so good. So like I was saying, there's no new news on the move. We're still waiting on solicitors and stuff. Hopefully that will be soon. But yeah, hopefully I will be putting this to good use soon. Next product we have is this. It just says, don't fancy getting your hair wet. Grab one of the easilocks scrunchies to help that blow dry last. Okay, so I mean, they're very interesting scrunchies indeed. White with black polka dots on them. I would have preferred if they were just a plain colour, either plain white or preferably plain black. When it comes to my baubles and scrunchies, I just like plain. But it says, yeah, easilocks microfiber polka dot scrunchies, and you get 2 in here. Dream hair made easy. I mean, they certainly look awesome. Should we open it or should we put them in a giveaway? I can't decide. So at the moment I'm going to leave them closed in case I do decide to pop them in a future giveaway. I mean, they are cute. It's just me, I'm boring. But they're certainly, through plastic, they certainly feel quite nice. So yeah, someone's going to love them. Next we have this. It just says, next, lather on the Neom Super Shower Power Cleanser for another hit of delicious smells and softer skin, of course. The spearmint, rosemary and eucalyptus oils will help clear your head after a long week. That actually sounds really nice. So there's 50 mils in here. Oh, that smells really nice. The eucalyptus doesn't overpower the rosemary or anything like that, so that scent is really coming through. And the spearmint, yum, I can't wait to try that out. That's going to be really refreshing, I think. The next product we have is this. So it just says, once you're out the bath, take the Ouai leave-in conditioner and apply it to the ends of your hair to help boost hydration. I love a good leave-in conditioner. Right, it's in a spray, so I'm not going to spray it, I'm just going to have a little smell. Oh my god, your hair's going to smell absolutely gorgeous after putting that through. Really, really good brand too. You get 25 mils in here, so not a whole lot, but enough for a few tries to see if we like it or not, so that's always good. But not least, we have this. So it just says, and for one last luxe touch, pop the Piercy Skin Mani Pedi Cream onto your hands and your feet. It's packed with vitamin E and it feels buttery and smooth. It'll be a night to remember, seriously. Oh, okay. Is this open already? Yeah, it is open. So you can see there it is. It's not too thick. Oh, but it does feel luxe. It really, really does. Wow. What is that? Peach, yeah, peach. Gorgeous. Hi guys, so this is the Sleepover Essentials Edit, the March Asos box. What do you think? Personally, for the price, £12, I think this is a really, really good box. I mean, we've got a full-size bubble bath here, which smells out of this world. Got a lovely body cleanser there, again, smells gorgeous. A fantastic hair conditioner, a leave-in hair conditioner. Well, let's hope it's fantastic in any way. And then, yeah, we've got the hand and foot cream, which, oh my god, the smell of peaches is so, so gorgeous. And then, yeah, 2 functional baubles as well. Overall, for £12, a really, really good box. Definitely feel like I've got my money's worth. It's not truly exciting by any means, but there's some definite good base products here that will get used. So all is good. Comment down below, let me know what you think. But that concludes this video, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.